Hello everyone. This is Dr. Jayashree from Srimati Kishori Taibhor College of Pharmacy, County. In this presentation, I am going to tell you about 7 wonderful drugs that change human life. These drugs happen to be blessings to human beings not only because they cured millions of patients but also provided the pathways for the discovery and development of several new drugs. First, insulin. Before insulin was clinically available, the diagnosis of diabetes was itself considered as a death sentence, as it was a practice to keep diabetic patients on a strict, restricted sugar-free diet. Patients usually die because of starvation. In 1920, Dr. Benting, Dr. Best, and Dr. MacLeod's extracted this wonderful hormone from dog pancreas, controlling blood sugar level. Just after 3 years, they received Nobel Prize for their work. Insulin provided the basis for the discovery of several oral hypoglycemic agents, including metformin and sulfonylurea. Next is aspirin. It was the first drug extracted from plant origin, that is willow bark. The pioneer work of Sir John Vane in early 70s establishes aspirin as a life-saving drug against almost all types of fever. The discovery of aspirin leads to the development of prostaglandins in pain, fever, and inflammation. This drug provided the basis for the development of many NSAIDs, including paracetamol and diclofenac. Moving to chlorpromazine, the drug that turned out to be turning point in psychiatry. Before this miraculous molecule was discovered, patients suffering from schizophrenia were used to be treated as animals. Chlorpromazine was the first drug suggested that dysregulation of neurotransmitter is responsible for the pathogenesis of psychiatric disorders like anxiety, phobia, depression, and schizophrenia. Next one, nitrogen mustard. Journey of drug from warfare to cancer treatment. Initially, nitrogen mustard was used as warfare. Substance used to be used in war. Later, it becomes the basis for the discovery of anti-cancer drugs known as alkylating agents, including thiotepa and cyclophosphamide. Coming to zidovudine, a real breakthrough in the treatment of HIV/AIDS. HIV infection was migrated from African monkeys to human beings in 1980s. Not only terrified patients but also medical community. Zidovudine came as miracle, saved thousands of lives and also reduced the complications associated with AIDS and improved the longevity of patients. Today, therapy of AIDS cannot be imagined without zidovudine. Next is steroids. These are present in body, essential for the survival of life. Steroids having strong anti-inflammatory activity and proved to be life-saving in conditions like allergic shock, asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, blood cancer, and organ transplants. It is the most fascinating glamorous drug but highly misused by sportsmen and athletes. Next one, penicillin, drug which was discovered in 1928 by Sir Alexander Fleming. Discovered accidentally, but it was proved most effective and safe antibiotic to be used till date. Penicillin forms the basis for the development of newer antibiotics including cephalosporins, amoxicillin and cloxacillin, etc. So these are the wonderful 7 drugs that change human life. Thank you.